Okay, so here's another classic game my kid loves. This one is from Pressman. It's the classic fishing game. So this is where you've got the little fish that go around in circles. Let's see if I can pull it. There we go. Take this out nice and easy. Let's see if we got any little fishing rods. Oh, here we go. We got a few of them. This is the classic fishing game where you got the little fish going around in circles. And some of them have magnets. Other of these, some of these also have little jaws that will just clamp down. But this is totally a classic game. I remember playing this when I was a kid. And it's good to see these some of these classic games still alive and well.